Hey guys, Lenny here from Purposely Pixel, and today I'm going to do a little different type of video. I'm sitting out here in my yard in New York City. It's a beautiful day, and I want to discuss with you guys the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. I'm wondering, which way are you leaning? Are you going Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro? Spoiler alert for me, I'm definitely going Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll give you my reasons in a little bit. So we want you guys to actually comment below and have a discussion as to which device you choose, why you're choosing it, and what is the main feature that you're looking forward to in this new Pixel 6 series. I'm recording on my Pixel 5a. I'm using my Pixel Buds A series, so hopefully everything comes out all right. But I feel if we're going to, promote these devices, use these devices, I want everyone to know what the capabilities of these devices are, right? So this is what we have in our pocket, basically 24/7. This is what we'll pull out in a pinch. So let me know how the video quality is on the Pixel 5a and the sound quality with the Pixel Buds. So before I go forward and tell you which device I'm going to use, I'm going to give you a spec breakdown, and we'll post the specs on the screen so you can see the differences. Now, they have different color profiles. Some people think that the Pixel 6 has the better colors. Others think that the Pixel 6 Pro might have the nicer colors. So the Pixel 6 will have like a black, a green, an orange, whereas the Pixel 6 Pro will have the black, the silver, and like a sand gold type of color. But when you get into the two devices, this is where the decision making is tough. And I'll have to say, I despise the fact that companies do this, whether it's Google, Samsung, Apple. I wish they would just make two different size devices, but with the same exact features. So for example, Samsung does it with the Ultra series, Apple does it with the Pro Max series, and now Google's doing it with the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro series. On the Ultra, you get the better camera, you get the higher res screen, you get the higher refresh rate. With Apple, the 13 Pro Max that was just released, only the Pro will give you the Pro Motion. Things like that I just don't like, because there's users that like a 6-inch screen or a 6.4-inch screen or whatever size it is, but they want all the features. I really feel there shouldn't be any justification not to have all the features in these devices. The only thing I could understand is battery size, because of size profile of the devices. And that would be the only justification. You could fit the extra camera in, you could fit the 120 refresh rate, you could just give the same features with different battery sizes and let the consumer pick which size they want. But that's my take on it. Let me know in the comments below your take. So getting to the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, this is the exact thing that I'm talking about. So the Pixel 6, which isn't a small device at all, is 6.4 inches, where the Pixel 6 Pro is 6.7 inches. The Pixel 6 is a 1080p screen, basically rendering you approximately probably about 403 ppi, right? So the resolution on the Pixel 6 is going to be not as nice as the Pixel 6 Pro, which is a Quad HD, which it has like a PPI of 512, which is a pretty significant difference. Now I have the Pixel 5a, and the screen is fine. It's 1080p AMOLED, just like the other two that are being released. But I'd be a liar if I say when my brother-in-law comes over with his S21 Ultra, I don't have screen envy, right? It's just a big, bright, beautiful, high-res screen. Videos look better, camera, pictures look better. Just everything in general looks better on the screen. And there's no denying that. Is the 1080p nice? Yes. But if I'm paying top dollar, I want top specs. That's my opinion. So going forward with that, there's also rumors that the Pixel 6 is going to have, and again, all these specs are rumored. The Pixel 6 will have 8 gigs of RAM. The Pixel Pro will have 12 gigs of RAM. The Pixel 6 will be missing the telephoto 48 megapixel telephoto lens that the Pixel Pro will have. It's also going to be 90 hertz refresh rate screen versus 120 hertz refresh rate screen. The battery is going to be a little smaller. This is understandable, right? Because the size profile is smaller. But I can't understand why they can't put the, full array of cameras on the back of the Pixel 6. That's a 6.4-inch device. But regardless, that's my rant. So as for me, I am definitely going Pixel 6 Pro. I want the device that Google intended to put out with the 120 refresh rate, the 12 gigs of RAM, the larger battery, the higher resolution screen. I mean, I just want everything. If I'm gonna, go for the top dog, then I'm going for the Pixel 6 Pro, as well as, if I was in the Samsung camp, I'm going for the Ultra. Or in the iPhone camp, I'm going for the Pro Max because I want to see the full capabilities of all these devices. Let me know in the comments below what you feel about this also. And I also want to say, the biggest thing I'm looking forward to with the Pixel 6 Pro or Pixel 6 is the combination of software and hardware now that they have the Tensor chip. How does Google work it together? Their computational photography is amazing. Their AI is amazing. So now that they're developing their own chip and can work it together with their own hardware, it should be something astounding. My expectations are tempered because obviously we all know when they're this high, the device actually is like this level. So I'm very excited for it. We really want to know your view, and we really want to know what you guys think. So please hit us up in the comments below. Let us know, again, which device you're going for, the reasons why. This is Lenny Bond from Purposely Pixels signing off. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. We'll have much more Pixel content coming to you. And we just thank you for, subscribing, following, and listening to our videos. Thank you.